guess it would be too.
You know, it's at a quarter of a tank now. It's medium.
Good, do it.
Front hair under it, so.
That's fine. If it gets low, you can always stop somewhere.
Right.
Thank you. That would be good.
Are you freezing?
What? Oh no, it's yeah, that's right. Why's my arm cold? It's fucked up. I'm dead.
I would love to find you some yellow butterflies. Would you like me and Connor to go for something tomorrow when we go to get Walter's medicine?
If you want.
Connor, do you want to go to a different Lowe's with me tomorrow?
Yeah.
Look for a plant for Daddy. Yeah, it's basically on a quarter of a tank. It's touching the quarter line, but
That's good. I don't think I'm hungry anymore. You need this tornado.
sorry, myself.
You don't suck Dunkin' Donuts at all. They achieved a level of suckage that I would have not thought possible even in the 1970s.
Douchebag ain't got
And they weren't that great in the 70s. They used to have coffee that was drinkable and they had donuts that were fresh-ish.
I used to love Dunkin' Donuts. I used to like the sugar dip, like not the honey
Glazed, yeah.
I like the honey glaze, but I also like the one with sugar on it. And it's just sugar granules. Do you ever have that one?
Yeah, I've had that, I think. That's like a cake donut, isn't it?
Look at this. Oh, you fucking douche nozzle.
Fuck, did she press the button or not? I don't think she pressed the button.
No,
She
she
just started
went
walking.
across. They do. They just walk across. Don't fucking care on that cup.
And they want to die anyway.
Give her what she wants. Come to find out she's like actually 43 years old.
Not with that back. I don't know how she can walk with that. What? That's rough. That was a child once. That was a happy little girl going to school. Dreams of her future. I don't ever think about it, like, because I always block it out unless I'm, like, off and I wasn't thinking.
Oh, I think about that all the time. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Hours. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Yep.
Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%.
Yeah, it really is.
Here are 9 a.m. conditions across southern New England's coastal waters. Off the east coast of New Hampshire and Massachusetts, at Isle of Shoals Tower, the wind was northwest at 4 knots.
Veterans in the
At
hotel
Boston
in the
Buoy,
woods.
located 16 nautical miles east of
There was
Boston,
that special
the wind was
project
northwest at 4 knots.
PTSD.
Seas were 1 foot every 6 seconds, and the water temperature was 66 degrees at Massachusetts Bay Buoy, located 25 miles east-northeast of
It was
Boston.
in this
The wind
old
was
building, like, what the
knots.
hell?
Seas were 1 foot at the Gulf of Maine Buoy.
exactly.
Seas were 2
And it had all the
feet,
creepy
and the water
statues.
temperature
Yes, I
was
saw that with you.
Yeah.
The guys were
Great
like,
movie. At one point, the guy is talking to Stacey Keach and he's asking Conley
and
all
the
these
water
questions.
temperature was 70
The
degrees.
astronaut is like
At
saying,
Nantucket Buoy, located 54 nautical miles southeast of Nantucket.
a charnel house, a gaping, bloody pit, and he's going on and on about it. It's just, it is true. It is true. It is absolutely
Degrees at Georgia's Bank Buoy. Seas were 2 feet, and the water temperature was 58 degrees. And off the south coast of New England in Long Island, at Buzzards Bay Tower, wind north at 6 knots.
suffering.
At Montauk Point Buoy, seas were 2 feet, and the water temperature was 69 degrees. At Long Island Buoy, the wind was northeast at 8 knots. Seas were 2 feet every 10 seconds, and the water temperature was 69 degrees. At Block Island Buoy, seas were 2 feet, and the water temperature was 69 degrees. Around Narragansett Bay, observations courtesy of the National Ocean Service ports at Providence,
Look at
the
those
wind was
duplexes
northeast
down
at
there.
5 knots.
If we couldn't find a big house or a decent house somewhere that met our specifications, we could buy a side-by-side duplex and just cut. Like, cut through it. You know
Oh
what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah.
And make it into like a, bedrooms on one side, sitting room, living room, whatever.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Oh Lord, what would he do with it? He would just stand there all night waiting for somebody to make him stop.
Ah!
What are you talking about?
By the way, he's open to a girlfriend. Big
I feel bad, but he's like, he reminds me of me, only 10 times worse, and I thought I was bad.
Totally doesn't say that he had no intention of moving out anytime soon. He goes, but if I did meet somebody and moved out, I would always go out.
Which is 5.6 inches
He
above
would
normal.
never say that before.
Yeah.
If I ever did meet anybody, he was always like, oh,
Yeah.
not having anything to do. So I would love for him to. Oh, and you know what he wants to do that they think Jack can see? I didn't know that.
Yeah?
Decide about that.
Wow.
He wants to, yeah, I was shocked.
He's right though, you know what? If he doesn't do something drastic, he's gonna get it. He's gonna... I want to see that kid go. That's all we have to do. Can you imagine how sad that's gonna be if that happens? I know. It's crazy. I don't even think about it.
Yeah, so he's sitting, I think it was last night, last night he was going to do something.
Yeah,
He was sitting in the, I know, he was sitting in the living room.
yeah.
And, no, he just came
It's
out.
a tough food.
Let me get you a frosty crumby. You want anything to eat?
Just ask him if they have anything that doesn't have enough salt in it to control my tongue.
Egg and cheese on an English muffin, but I'd like extra cheese and I'd like it to be the white cheddar, please.
Salad.
Yes, thank you. And I'd also like a large ice cream tea, black with light ice.
Yes. You want anything? No milk or anything?
One plain white milk. Thank you. This is an away video. Voice of National Web Service.
You order like Sally.
Will you
Harry and
stop
myself.
making me just, I'm not
No, listen,
Sally.
hear me out. Yes, you are, and I'll tell you why. Hear me out.
They don't make it the right way.
No, but the thing is, the way you ask is interesting.
Number 20 to warning.
See,
A hot
most,
cup with that, please.
Something that's what
Most people
repeated EIS on my radio. Here's
Oh,
20 to
wait.
warning. What the fuck?
Or,
What the fuck happened? Here's 20 to warning.
I'm so sorry, hon. Really not coordinated right now. Oh. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Sorry. What did you say? Why do I
I would like,
salad?
most people would say, I would like a large iced tea with light ice and blah, blah, blah. You say,
Okay.
I would like a nice iced tea, and I want it with light ice, and I want it with this, and I
But
want
I
it with
say,
that.
please, may I have
It
it?
doesn't matter. It's the difference of the and I want it every time. That's how Sally said it. Yeah, everybody else would just normally say, this with this with this. We go this, and I want it with this, and I want it with this, and I want it with this. It's a difference. It indicates that you have the ego involvement.
I do have no ego involved in ordering my shit.
I want it my way.
Thank
Don't you
you.
get it? That's what you're doing.
No, I'm not.
Yes, it's a way of being impatient with the people before they do anything wrong.
No,
That way they know that you're not taking any shit.
No, but
It is, absolutely. Think about
They
it.
usually
What
put,
is the deep psychological reason for you saying that? It has to be.
because they put green sheet, like,
See?
they put
You were right. I was
orange-
right.
No, listen.
See? Because they don't know what they're doing. You're agreeing with me.
The sandwich usually
That's the
comes,
judge saying,
Judge Judy.
Judge Judy's saying
The
you're done.
usual sandwich comes with orange American cheese, which I don't like. You're
Right.
not doing anything wrong.
So I would like the sandwich with...
White cheddar
White
and
cheddar.
extra cheese, please.
This is
Right, that's not what you said. You said I would like a sandwich, and I would like it